Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add pricing plans on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of the page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once here, just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. So just wait for it to load. And once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here in the editor, if you go to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you design and customize your site. So here you're going to find add element. Here you're going to find the add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and lastly CMS. So go ahead and click on add apps. And then here you're going to find app markets and custom apps. Make sure you click on app markets. And then once you're here in the app store, just go to the search bar and search for pricing plans. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then right here, you're going to find all of these applications that will help you set your pricing plans. I recommend you to use Wix pricing plans. So go ahead and give it a click and then click on add site. And once you do that, just wait for pricing plans to be added to your site. So just wait it up. And then as you can see guys, it will be added to your site. And once added, you can click on it and then just click on manage plans. And then you can set your own Wix plans. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.